The most dangerous person on this planet is not the one with the most money or the most power. It is the person who has mastered their own mind. Most people are slaves to their impulses. They are puppets dancing to the tune of their own comfort. But you've realized that your greatest enemy isn't the world outside. It's the voice inside your head telling you to sleep in, to give up, to settle for good enough. Every morning a war begins. It's a war between the person you were yesterday and the person you want to become tomorrow. If you don't wake up with a strategy, you've already lost. Your mind is a garden. If you don't pull the weeds of self-doubt, they will choke the life out of your dreams. You don't need a miracle. You need a method. You need to become unconquerable. Discipline is the highest form of self-love. It is the ability to tell your present self to shut up, so your future self can thrive. We live in a world of instant gratification, cheap dopamine at the swipe of a finger. But anything worth having is hidden behind a wall of boredom, repetition, and grit. The secret to greatness isn't talent. It's the refusal to stop when it gets boring. Everyone is excited at the start, but who is still there at mile 20? Who is still there when the bank account is zero and the applause has died down? The world is designed to break you. It wants you to be a consumer, a follower, a statistic. To be unconquerable, you must choose the path of most resistance. Seek the pain. Hunt the challenge. Because the iron only becomes steel in the hottest part of the furnace. Stop saying, "I want to be successful." Start saying, "I am the kind of person who does what is necessary." You don't get what you want in life. You get who you are. If your identity is tied to your excuses, you will always find a reason to fail. You need to burn the ships. There is no plan B. Plan B only serves to distract you from plan A. When you decide that failure is not an option, your brain starts finding solutions that weren't there before. This isn't about positive thinking. It's about tactical execution. Look at your circle. If you are the most driven person in the room, find a new room. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with, but you are also the average of the 5 thoughts you think most often. Guard your mind like a fortress. One day, your heart will beat for the last time. In that final moment, 2 people will stand by your bed. The person you became and the person you could have been. There is no greater hell than meeting the version of yourself that achieved everything you dreamed of, while you sat on the sidelines. The world doesn't owe you anything. It doesn't care about your potential. It only respects your results. So, stand up. Shake off the dust of your past. The mistakes you made? They were tuition for the wisdom you have now. The heartbreak? That was the gym for your soul. Now go out there and build something that outlives you. Don't just exist. Reign. Become unconquerable.